IT operations can't keep up. IT operations teams are faced with the growing challenges of managing complex systems, reactive support, rising costs, and minimizing risk. And when tickets pile up, manual effort slows everything down. Introducing Prism from CEI. Prism is an AI-native managed services platform designed to turn IT operations from reactive to proactively autonomous. Prism predicts issues before they happen, self-heals problems in real time, and continuously optimizes performance. Prism overlays an intelligent agent layer on top of your existing ITSM and AIOps tools. AI agents automatically triage incidents, resolve routine L1 work, and eliminate 70% of tickets before humans get involved. Operations become faster, costs drop up to 30%, and teams finally focus on innovation, not tickets. Stop managing tickets. Start running autonomous operations. Prism from CEI.